Hello, my name is Manirahaba Evariste. I'm 34 years old and married. I'm registered veterinarian with bachelor's degree of veterinary medicine from University of Rwanda, which I got in 2016. I have extensive experience in animal production, specifically in poultry, swine, and dairy, which I have been practicing in top reputable company in Rwanda. Indeed, I am a certified trainer of bovine artificial insemination techniques, whereby up to now I have participated in training of more than 700 public and private veterinary professionals who are now servicing the community. Thank you.